What's up, guys? Today on this quick skate advice, I'm going to teach you how to fix some cracks. So let's dive right into it. Alright, fixing some cracks without Bondo. This one's more for like a heavy duty crack, a bigger crack, or if you need a little more ump. I know Bondo is used for cracks. The way to use it's pretty fast. It's really fast drying. But today we're going to be using ready mix cement with concrete repair mortar. Concrete mortar and repair. And of course we're going to be using some tape and some 6-inch trowel. So let's dive right into it. Alright guys, so you want to start off by cleaning off the crack. You gotta clean it out with a broom, water blast it, whatever you gotta do, and then wait till it's dry. Then you're gonna lay down some masking tape. After you lay down some masking tape, I use painter's tape. You can just go ahead, open that bad boy up. I wanted to start off with the stucco patch, the ready mix one. I open it up, yep, simple shit. Mix it up, and then I start applying it to the crack. So I just paste it on. Alright, next I want to use this one. Concrete and mortar repair. Yep, same thing as the stucco patch. Just open it up, stir it, mix it up, and then get to troweling. I trowel it in, try to trowel both in, mix it up so it's both strong. The stucco patch is kind of more sandier, and then this mortar repair is kind of more like mortar concrete repair, so I mix it up so it makes it more of a stronger bond. Yep, I mix it up, put it in, trowel it down, and that's pretty much it. Trowel it, make it smooth really good until you find your consistency that you like it and how it looks, and you're good to go. And then just wash off your things. Wash off your things when you're done, because those things will dry up on your trowel and you want to reuse your trowel again. Yeah. Alright, so I finished putting the Bondo onto the crack, and we're going to give it 24 hours to dry, and I'll show you how it looks tomorrow. Alright, so I just pulled out the tape. You can kind of see how it is. I don't try to pull straight up. I pull a little bit angled, so that way the tape doesn't rip off and pull chunks out of the Bondo quick cement. Now I just gotta wait 24 hours and then we'll sand it down. Alright, so we pulled out the tape, and now I'm just touching over it, seeing if it's hard. I'm feeling some soft spots, but this part is pretty hard. So what I'm going to do next, because since after I peeled out the tape, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just give it a good rub, sand down with some sandpaper, and then we should be good to go. Yeah. Alright, so there you go, a quick video of how to quick patch up a crack. But I recommend this only if you have time and, you know, it's your house or whatever. But if you're out in the streets, you get yourself some Bondo. It's kind of the same deal. Bondo gets hard really fast. I didn't have Bondo, so I got those buckets of concrete crack repairs. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment what you want to see next, and subscribe. Peace, I'm out.